In this module, we're going to be in the Architecture tab, and we're going to continue with roof tools. Now, there's some different roof tools for Revit that just pertain to Revit roofs only, and then we have some VisionREZ roofs that have some tools that pertain only to VisionREZ roofs. So let's take a look at it, and maybe it'll explain itself. So we're going to start right here at the Revit roof tools. You notice right here at this panel here, our first one is going to be trim roof. Now this one takes a piece and trims it against the main. So it's going to take the shape of the valleys that should be here in the main. So if we pick the piece that we want to cut against or cut with, and then pick the piece we want to cut against, you'll notice that it puts it in there. But if we highlight this other piece, let's say it's a porch, you'll notice that it has not been cut in. So we could use that same tool again, trim roof, this against that one, and now we have a good cut. Now there is another tool. It's a little bit quicker, so if you have a lot of pieces that you need to trim in, we would use trim selected. So what I'm going to do is pick this, window this plan over here, and say finish. What it's done is just cut everything the way it's supposed to. Now, if you see this piece, you notice that it has a rake, so it has a higher plate. So later this is going to come into effect when we do merge roofs. Explode and merge. So maybe you've created a really large Revit roof and you need to explode it to manipulate just a couple areas so you don't affect the rest of the house. We have a tool for that is roof explode. Just pick it, and now each piece is now individual. Same with the other roof that we have here. We're going to do roof explode. Pick this piece. We also have to pick this one because it's a different piece now. So we'll do roof explode. Oops, let's actually pick it. And now we're all different pieces. And it goes for the same way when we put it back together. So we've made our changes. We're ready to merge it all back together. Merge roof. Pick all those pieces. Say finish. Now it's one roof. Now this one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be two roofs. Oops. Let's do merge roof. Finish. And the only reason why it's two roofs is because this is a higher plate. Just remember that when you're creating your roofs in Revit. So to get these points to line up as they should, we would use the adjust plane. So I'm going to pick the plane I want to adjust, where I want to adjust to, takes it there. I have to go back to the command, and let's do adjust plane, pick here, pick there, and there we go.